Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Today we'll be looking at 15 side hustle ideas to make money from home. Stay tuned till the end. A side hustle doesn't have to be tough to do. It all boils down to your goals and how much you want to automate your profits. Here's how to make money from home. Number 1, work as a virtual assistant. One simple way to make money from home as a virtual assistant is to assist others in accomplishing tasks. Being a virtual assistant is a low-risk option to start in the digital services industry if you're organized and have decent time management abilities.
.com. So this one is also just based in the US, but it is also another.
Number 2, you can sell your items on eBay. For a large portion of our population, selling things on Craigslist and eBay is a full-time career. Selling on eBay has a greater entry barrier than Craigslist, and you'll need to establish a strong reputation before selling high-ticket items.
Section. You may need one further step to verify. If so, below
Number 3, put money into cryptocurrencies. Our currency is changing in lockstep with the digital world. In 2016, 10% of adults stated that our cash was their preferred method of payment. While Bitcoin is still in its infancy, it's expected to become the industry standard in the near future. Despite the fact that Bitcoin and Ethereum are currently the most popular cryptocurrency platforms, the blockchain will eventually change the US dollar into the digital dollar.
रहती है। बात करें कि अभी हमें बाय करना चाहिए नहीं, बिल्कुल बाय कर सकते हैं। काफी ज्यादा ये स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट जोन है।
Number 4, online tutoring. Schooler, TutorMe, and Tutor.com are just a few of the websites that can assist you in beginning your online tutoring career. Although you're not obligated to use one of these platforms, they do provide a lower friction entry into the industry. You could easily teach a topic like math or science while also teaching a language if you're multilingual. You may also instruct kids on how to play musical instruments such as the guitar or piano, as well as a range of other subjects.
Click on this plus icon, it will increase the sync time by 1 second, and if you click on this negative.
Number 5, sell services on Fiverr. Fiverr has grown rapidly since its beginning. It has evolved into a vast marketplace where you can sell practically any service you can think of. This is ideal if you want to make money online as a digital nomad or even while sitting at home on your laptop in your pajamas. Graphics and design, as well as writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and application development, commercial services and lifestyle services such as celebrity impressions and gaming are all accessible.
Calls. What? Another one now? Stop recording.
Number 6, create sales funnels. Sales funnels automate the sales process. They help you establish a connection with your audience and a link to your customers. Although there are a number of tools available to assist you in creating a sales funnel, the world's most successful organizations usually use custom-coded funnels.
Just to work less and earn more, wouldn't you? Well, I'll tell you.
Number 7, rent out your home to earn money. Thanks to Airbnb, vacation rentals have become a thriving sector. While the market existed prior to Airbnb's launch, it has developed exponentially since then. Other market consolidations include Invited Homes' acquisition of PPG Rentals and Season Dreams platforms, as well as Expedia's $3.9 billion acquisition of HomeAway, another vacation rental behemoth. Number 8, create an online store. When consumers can obtain incredible prices, they buy in droves. Even if Amazon takes the lion's share, some of the most successful internet marketers like Neil Patel, Frank Kern, Dean Graziosi, David Sharp, John Reese, and others have made small fortunes through free plus shipping, commerce, and book funnels. This has to do with how e-commerce sales funnels are set up.
So hosting is the place where your website's files are stored.
Number 9, create a vlog. Vlogs are one of the best methods to earn a passive income while traveling the world. While starting a blog is simple, reaping the advantages will take time and work. Now is the time to sow the seeds for a later harvest. Number 10, start a side hustle. You may start a variety of profitable side hustle business ideas from the comfort of your own home. While it's simple to start a business, marketing and expanding it is more complex. The difficult thing is actually seeing them through.
जैसे काम करना स्टार्ट करा, एग्जाम्पल वो दूसरे सभी होम ओनर्स के रिव्यू पढ़ने लगी, स्पेशली.
Number 11, organize webinars. As proved by entrepreneur Jason Fladelman, who has made $100 million and less through webinars, while merely selling other people's products, created automated webinars is one of the most useful skills you can have. Webinars follow a predetermined format and template. All of them are the same. You'll be able to absolutely dominate this market if you perfect that formula. Find a fantastic business concept or opportunity that brings a lot of value to people's lives and you can sell. Number 12, social media management. It will take some time and effort to start a social media management company, but it will be well worth it. You could charge each company a large monthly fee to help them manage your social media, allowing you to work full-time from this job.
And engage your target.
Number 13, affiliate marketing is a type of marketing that involves the use of affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is a low-cost approach to begin selling items on the internet. Some products or services have a high cost per pick. That means that if you play your cards well, driving more traffic to specific offerings can easily result in a large profit if you target the right interests. Number 14, create a self-paced online course. One of my favorite ways to earn extra money from home is to create online courses. However, this will need an initial time commitment. You do the task once and be paid on a regular basis just like any other passive cash stream. Number 15, complete online surveys. While taking online surveys will not make you rich, it will allow you to make some extra money in a short period of time.
But that's how I got my first Minecraft account, and that's how I got started on YouTube.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.